Self-practice 4.13, question 5. After n years, Mr. Chong's money in a bank is this much. Calculate the number of years for Mr. Chong's money to exceed 5,100 for the first time. So Mr. Chong has 4,000 1.1n in his bank. We need to find when does it exceed 5100. So exceed 5100. So let's try to make n the subject. 4,000 we bring here, becomes 5100 over 4,000. We can simplify this. So it becomes 51 over 40. Okay, now we need to make n the subject. So what we do is the whole equation we times log base 10. Why we times log base 10? So that we can bring n down. Okay. So log 1.1 power n log 51 over 40. So when we bring n down, it becomes n log 1.1 more than log 51 over 40. Making n the subject, we get log 51 over 40 divided by log 1.1. So log 51 over 40 divided by log 1.1. We get 2.55. So if n is more than 2.55, the closest integer after this will be 3. Okay, n has to be an integer, cannot be decimal. It has to be an integer. 3 years means 3 years, 2 years means 2 years. So after 3 years, it will exceed 5,100 for the first time. Let's confirm it. So let's see what we get after 2 years. So after 2 years, it's 4,800, hasn't exceed 5,001. After 3 years, already exceed. We get 5,300 already. So the answer is 3.